Alright, boys, back out here with the almighty Deus 2 and the Manticore. Now, some people don't put a lot of faith, in looking at same plane testing. Well, let's just look at this little situation right there. Look at that, boys. Now, I want to show you something here, just to show you the real estate we're talking about here. That's about 6 inches. 6 inches through there. Between them two nails. 6 inches. And there lays a gold ring, a U.S. nickel, a gold coin. And you're plowing through that site as such. And you go through a site like that and you don't find much. And you're like, well, there ain't nothing in there. Well, you might be running this Deus 2 in a fast program. This is the 11-inch call. Fast program, 6.8 Deus, silencer 0. Speed number 3. 2 inches above that nickel. 3 inches, 4 inches. I'm going to move the call around. You don't hear shit. Disclaimer, I've done run the 9-inch call over this same thing. You're blowed, okay? You're not going to find that nickel like this. Silencer 0. It ain't going to get any better with a silencer 1 or a 2. Okay? That's a lot of real estate, ain't it? Same plane, and it knocks, this machine, them two nails knocks that nickel out from detection. Alright? You boys want to see what you might put, this is very possible with this Manticore running the Tennessee Sharpshooter Bird Dog Upper Custom Ferris limits. You see it right there? All-terrain low conductors. Recovery speed 6. What do we get? You hear that? Five, 6 inches of call height. 2 inches? 1 inch. You have alert. That could be laying in any site. And you wouldn't know any better if you ran that Deus 2 with either one of those calls going through it like such. The only thing you'd know, well, I heard some nails. I heard some iron. Now the Deus 2 and the Manticore will both strike that nickel from this direction and a whole lot of other machines, okay? But running that machine in fast multi-frequency, this is a no-go from this direction. Not so with the mighty Manticore with the custom upper Ferris limits. Again, think about the real estate you're talking about right there. You could have multiples of like that in a site. Now those nails could probably be a little shorter. And they could probably be a little closer together. I've not done any elevated, I mean, if I elevate that nickel right there in that situation, what's this Deus 2 going to do? How high do I have to elevate that nickel above them nails before I start hearing it? I don't know. Don't know. But you can clearly see, and how far can I lower that nickel and still get it with this mighty Manticore? I don't know the answer to that either, but that same plane right there tells me something, okay? Advantage Manticore. To be honest with you, a 9 and 11-inch call, I may turn the Deus 2 on in this video. I'll put the 9-inch call on it and we'll sweep that to single frequency just to see what it does. Stand by. Deus 2 9-inch call, Deus mono 40 kilohertz, 6.1 Deus. Reactivity 4, silencer 0. Well, you hear, boys? That's an inch over that nickel right there. Nothing. Reactivity 3. nothing. I commented earlier about the fast programming this machine, 6.8 disc. I'll show it to you. Silencer 0. Reactivity 3, audio response number 5. What do you get? Hear anything, boys? Slow sweep. Hover sweep. 2 inches over that nickel. 1 inch. 1 inch. I don't even detect that nickel with this call. Reactivity number 3. How about reactivity 5? 1 inch over that nickel. I'm hovering it. You hear that? Sweet. So you see the real estate you're talking about there? That could exist in any park, sports field, old house site. Same plane testing. That could be 2 inches on the ground. Has every place on the face of the earth that's been detected been swept with what we call 4-way sweeps, like so and like so? I highly doubt it. So there you go. You see your law of averages on that little setup right there, boys. Which machine has advantage? This one or that one? Place your bets. That's why Sharpshooter's been trying to show you all this stuff. You get more detection per call sweep on situations like that with the Manticore. You see how far those nails are apart. Now I can push those nails up closer. That I've done showed a test like that. That Manticore hits that nickel. It alerts to a non-ferrous target being present, the way the machine operates. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video.